HUMA stock analysis Thursday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1-minute video till the end, find out. Humacyte stock is just sitting at 347, in which case I see a bigger correction here. I've done 36,000 videos. I've spent 5 figures on courses and mentors, and I've seen what's working for me and what is not. That being said, I'll just look at it from a broader picture right here. And all that really matters is just the ranges, right? And the ranges are actually quite sick because we're still in this bullish range. Does this mean that I'm going to buy? Not necessarily. But yeah. I'm only really going to buy if I see this shift here. It must start breaking with a full candle close above 390. And if it does not, then I'm just not going to buy. I'm just not going to buy, man. Like, it's really that simple. So stay tuned. Trying to make it fun as well, you know. So if you want to make more money trading in a simple, lean way, click the first link in the description. You will find a lot of sauce there. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye and enjoy.